So I have an idea, because I'm going to be using the excavator. I will be needing thermosol over there, and this usually has been rattling by the feet, so I happen to have few extra magnets here. So if I fix them here, I should be able to use this nicely on the machine. Let's see. Some Gorilla tape should hold it in place, I think. This is going to be the best improvement and accessory for the knee excavator, I think. Okay, that's meant you should be able to check how much you have gas left, but I never used that, so this is what we are going to do. I usually take the canister out. Okay, let's try it out.